Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Choice Eliminator to Google Forms and use it effectively. Whether you're creating an event registration form, managing limited appointment slots, or running a sign-up where each option should only be selected a certain number of times, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you stay fully in control. First, open your Google form and make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Once your form is open, look toward the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. From there, select the option labeled Get Add-ons. This is where Google Forms lets you extend functionality, so make sure to follow along carefully and don't skip this step. Next, you'll be taken to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Choice Eliminator and press Enter. When the add-on appears, click on it and install it. If you already have it installed, you'll see that right away, so you can move on without reinstalling. After installation, return to your form, click the puzzle icon near the top, and select Choice Eliminator from the list. Then click Start, and you'll see a small pop-up window appear on your screen. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your form already has multiple choice or drop-down questions, allow pop-ups in your browser, and give the add-on the permissions it asks for. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent setup issues. Once the Choice Eliminator window is open, you can maximize it for easier navigation. After a few moments, you may see an ad. Simply close it to continue. From here, you can set limits on how many responses each option can receive. After that, you'll be able to automatically remove choices once they reach their limit without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test your form before sharing it. This extra step ensures everything works exactly as expected. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add and use Choice Eliminator in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be managing sign-ups too. Why not make someone's day easier?